Just type airtel.in/business to visit the Airtel Business landing page. Click on the human icon on the top right corner of the landing page and choose Airtel Enterprise Hub from the drop-down. If you wish to make the bill payment without logging into the portal, you need to select Pay Data Bills under Quick Actions. From the new window, you need to enter the internal ID which you may find on the top right-hand corner of the invoice. Once you enter the internal ID, on the next screen, you will find all the unpaid invoices by default. For viewing the paid invoices, click the Paid Invoices checkbox. In case you want to make the payment in full, select the invoice, click on the Full tab under Payment and hit Pay Now. Should you wish to make the payment partially, please select the respective invoice, click on the Partial tab under Payment and hit Pay Now. From the new screen, you will be asked to select the reason for partial payment. Upon selecting TDS, you will be asked to select the TDS type. Select Declaration, enter the TAN number and hit Validate. Once the TAN is validated, select the deduction percentage and amount to be paid will populate automatically. Click Proceed. This will direct you to the payment page from where you can select the bank you wish to make the payment from and click Continue to pay. In case the TDS has been remitted earlier, please select Remittance under TDS type. Enter all the details and select the month and the year in which the TDS was remitted and hit Proceed to make the payment. If your reason of making the payment partially is other than TDS, please select Other from this screen. Enter the amount to be paid. Enter the reason for partial payment under Remarks and click Continue. Once the payment has been made successfully, you will be directed to the payment confirmation page. Thank you for watching.